Gate is rolling and the open pacers have been called to the gate. They're moving into position, lining up. Favorite on the board, number 3, Big Time Ball, who was victorious in his 2011 debut. He proved to be well worth the wait. He was 4-1 last time out. He is the 7-5 choice as he'll look for the repeat. They're into the stretch for race 3. It's post time. Third race field of open pacers, picking up speed. Here they come. Often pacing, St. Elmo Hero left the gate quickly. Big Time Ball did as well. In at the rail, Mock Dreamer claimed third. Crossing over fourth is OK Commander. Grin for Money took back fifth. Hyperion Hanover's in no hurry in the early going. He drops in to be sixth. Alsace Hanover is already back into seventh, and he's 10 lengths off the lead, with Big Time Ball brushing his way to the top. St. Elmo Hero will release the favorite to the lead now. It's 2 lengths back to Mock Dreamer third. Quarter was cut in 26 and a fifth. 3 more lengths back to OK Commander from in fourth. 2 more to Grin for Money from in fifth. Hyperion Hanover right there, sixth. 3 more to Alsace Hanover. He trails the field as they zip up towards that 3/8 marker. Paul McDonnell sets the speed tonight with Big Time Ball. St. Elmo Heroes in for the 2-hole trip. Back at the rail, third, Mock Dreamer with OK Commander sitting fourth. Fifth off the speed is Grin for Money. Sixth is Hyperion Hanover. Still seventh is Alsace Hanover. They've tightened up. Head to helmet goes the field past a half in 55 seconds. 28-1 in that second panel. They move into the far turn. And still up front here, McDonnell's got Big Time Ball operating off a 28-4 second panel, I should say. In that pocket spot, St. Elmo Hero second with 3/8 to go. Now first up from third drives OK Commander. And in at the rail fourth is Mock Dreamer. Advancing on a helmet, fifth outside, Grin for Money. Jack Moiseyev positions him 3 lengths off the lead. Hyperion Hanover buried at the pylon, sixth. Alsace Hanover seventh. 3/4, 122 and 4. McDonnell cranked up the speed, 27 and 4 in that third panel. Big Time Ball leads the way. Figures to be confronted late though. St. Elmo Hero has been treated to a perfect 2-hole ride, and he's full of pace coming out of the hole for Jameson now. Here comes St. Elmo Hero. St. Elmo Hero hauls down Big Time Ball. Here comes Mock Dreamer with late wheels on the outside. It's St. Elmo Hero and Jameson to win the Open, finishing second on the outside. Mock Dreamer, Big Time Ball third, 149 and 2.